Okay, so now the fun part, now where I actually do some problems. So I put an assignment on Schoology, and I want you guys to get the practice so that you can actually be good for when we do test on this. So I'm gonna do the odd ones. Number one says 3 negative 195 degrees, and it wants me to plot the point on the given graph. So it gives you a graph. So I need 3 rings because I have a radius of 3. Negative 195 degrees, I'm gonna go negative, so I'm gonna go clockwise. That's 180, and an extra 15 gives me 195. So right there. And that's really all that you're doing to graph that point. Number 3 tells me, oh, of course I can't go down on the graph. Come on the page. Oh, come on. Do what I want, thing. Number 3 tells me 4 negative 60 degrees. So this time I need 4 rings, and it does give you a graph, so it should be a little bit easier. You don't have to draw your own graph. Negative 60 means I'm going to go clockwise 60 degrees, which is right here on the 4th ring. Number 5 tells me negative 3, negative 300 degrees. So when it's negative, I just am reflecting it across when it's a negative radius, that is. So I need 3 rings. I'm gonna go negative 300 degrees. That's 270, 300, and I'm gonna reflect it across. So I'm gonna be right here. That was 5. 7 tells me negative 1, 2, 55 degrees. Actually, I'm gonna do number 8 because all the ones that are odd, it appears, are in degrees, and I want one in radians. So number 8 tells me 4 pi over 2. So that means I need the 4th ring. Wow, what a good drawing of a circle. And then I'm gonna go to pi over 2, which is right here. So fairly simple. Number 9, 40 degrees. Too easy. Right there at 0 degrees and on the 4th ring. Okay, so those ones are fairly simple.